Hi guys, welcome to Jody Cooking. Today I'm gonna make you my favorite porridge, which is American porridge. I'm telling you, I love this porridge so much. You can always get it from your local supermarket or even online. It's very cheap but yet so tasty. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash my American. Just wash it, guys, until the water became very clear. Just give it one more wash. So my pot is on my stove now, and I add 3 glasses of cold water to my pot. So I'm gonna add 1 spoon of salt. Give it a stir. And I'm gonna allow it to cook for at least 1.5 hours. And guys, I forgot to mention, if your water is reducing, you can always add more water to it. And my stove is on medium, and I'm gonna also cover my pot. So these are all my ingredients for my American porridge. So you have 2 spoonfuls of vanilla, you have 1 teaspoonful of nutmeg, and you also have 1 teaspoonful of cinnamon powder. This is my milk, my coconut milk, and my condensed milk, and flour to thicken it up. So my American been cooking for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So this is what it look like. Hi guys, so if you want to know if your American is finished, you just take one of them and just press it. As you can see, it pressed right down, so it's finished. Soft. This is perfect. This is exactly how you want it to be. So now I'm gonna add my ingredients. That's the vanilla, so I add all of my ingredients. So now I'm gonna add my coconut milk. So the reason why I'm using flour is because the flour is gonna thicken it up. So that's the reason why. You can always use cornstarch. So I'm gonna add 3 spoons of cold water to my flour. Then give it a stir. Just gonna add a bit more. So this is what it should look like. Make sure it's nice and smooth. So now I'm gonna add my flour mix. And I'm gonna also add my condensed milk. I'm gonna leave it for next 15 to 20 minutes. So my hominy corn porridge is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. It's looking absolutely delicious. I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks in the plate. So this is how my hominy corn porridge looks in the plate. I'm telling you, I just add some and it tastes so good. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.